10K Yuj Tarot. A deck, a card deck, a reading deck that is different from every system. Why? Because it was created now, in this time, to help and aid everyone, so that each person can open up and become the Buddha mind within them. Now, this doesn't go towards one religion. It goes towards the essence of enlightenment and vibration that the Buddha mind embodies. Some of you will have to choose a path. Some of you are wondering if it is the correct path, it is the wrong path, it's a distraction. Choose your path with your heart and also reality in realistic terms. You always find your way on the road. Don't get distracted by what is on the road. Keep the middle path. This is for every single person. If you are experienced with energy, if you are new to energy, if you've never had a tarot reading before, if you give tarot readings, if you know traditional tarot, forget about it all. Learn and know that you are protected. Allow all your obstacles to just fall so you can rise above in protection and grounding again, going back to your root. Now, this is like a 10K Yuj Tarot activation. It's a story with the cards. Third, protection. So energy is everything. So people say God, people say Allah, people say Hashem, people say source, people say light and heaven. But really, you're living now, and what you really can experience now is true nature. So find the true nature within and know that everything happens for a reason. 10K Yuj Tarot. Allow the cards to tell a story, to show you a path of light. 10K.